In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely move files between team folders in Dropbox without breaking any links or permissions. This is particularly important for those using a Dropbox business or team account as you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of team collaboration. Let's dive right into the process, taking a step-by-step approach to ensure everything remains intact and accessible for your team. First things first, you'll need to be either on the web at Dropbox.com or using the desktop client. Once there, sign into your team account with your credentials. This ensures that you have the necessary access to begin the process. After signing in, you'll want to navigate to the specific file or folder you intend to move. It's crucial to make sure you are familiar with the location and contents of this folder, as it will help avoid any confusion later on. Before you proceed, there's an important prerequisite to keep in mind. You must have edit access to both the source and the destination team folders. Without this, you will be unable to execute the move correctly. If you're unsure, double-check your permissions or consult with the folder's administrator to avoid any hiccups. Now, let's talk about the actual moving process, which is essential to get right. Here, you should use the built-in move function rather than simply copying and deleting files. When you're on the web version, hover your cursor over the item you wish to move. You'll see an option that looks like. Click on that, then select Move from the drop-down menu that appears. If you're using the desktop version, you may have the option to drag and drop the file. However, ensure this action is allowed and won't disrupt any permissions. With that action completed, you're going to choose the destination folder. It should be a team folder with the appropriate permissions already set. Confirm the move when you're prompted to do so, ensuring that you've selected the correct folder. Once you've moved the files, it's important to double-check that everything is working smoothly. Specifically, ensure that all links and sharing settings function as expected. Everyone who had access in the new destination folder should still be able to see and interact with the content. Shared links should continue to resolve correctly, at least in most cases. Lastly, be vigilant about any notifications or alerts that may come your way. Dropbox will send warnings if there's a chance that some users might lose access, especially if you're moving content out of folders they originally had access to. For instance, moving a subfolder outside of the main team folder could result in the warning, "Existing users will lose access." Pay attention to these alerts to address any potential access issues proactively. Following these steps will help ensure a smooth transition when moving files between team folders, keeping everything and everyone connected just as intended.